Many 90 Day Fiancé stars share their routines when it comes to weight loss and skin care, and Juliana Custodio recently revealed her own skin issues. 90 Day Fiancé Season 7 featured the relationship between Juliana and Michael Yesin, who, despite issues regarding their age gap and Michael's close relationship with his ex-wife, got married in October 2019. For a while, Juliana and Michael lived a blended family lifestyle, but the couple broke up before their second wedding anniversary. 90 Day Fiancé's Juliana left her marriage with Michael, claiming she felt like she was a maid for the family and often helped them financially. Since then, she started dating Ben Obscura and got pregnant with his child. Juliana gave birth to their son Benjamin James Lewis on July 19, 2022. She now resides in Germany with Ben and Benjamin, although she recently returned to her home country, Brazil. While there, Juliana shared pictures from her visit, showing off her clear skin, which she attributed to being home. Juliana reveals why she values skincare. Juliana Custodio showed off pictures from her trip to Brazil, where her skin was glowing. She did not elaborate on what exactly made her skin better. However, she previously shared some of the skincare routines she practices with her followers on Instagram, including hydrofacial and mesolift treatments. In one post, Juliana, who fans support having cosmetic procedures, shared why self-care is important to her. She said, "The infusion takes care of your energy level, supports your hair and skin, and protects your immunity to be 100% fit for your family and your job." Juliana's routines are more than maintaining her looks, it is also a lifestyle choice that gives her the energy to look after her family and work. Juliana's teeth procedure also related to her self-care. Juliana recently received teeth treatment in Turkey, like Darcy and Stacey Silva. The former 90 Day Fiancé star showed off her bright smile, praising the procedure and experience she had. The procedure on her teeth and the treatment for her skin are likely necessary upkeep done to book modeling jobs. Still, Juliana's openness with her self-care is a welcome insight, similar to Danielle Gates, who also revealed her skincare routine. Despite a tumultuous relationship with Michael on 90 Day Fiancé, Juliana found a fulfilling life with her new boyfriend and son. She is currently back to working as a model since giving birth to her son, impressing viewers with her quick weight loss journey. Furthermore, while Juliana is still young, her skincare treatments and routines seem effective in giving her a healthy, youthful look. Source: Juliana Custodio, Instagram. Juliana Custodio, Instagram.
My heart returns to you. Dinner, you were great. We can go back to mine if you want to. You look so good, I want to do that. I must be tripping. God, catch my breath. Oh.